Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by making a smooth, fluid batter that sets thinly into sheets. Whisk 1 cup rice flour with 1/2 cup tapioca starch, 1/4 cups water, and 1/4 teaspoons salt until lump-free. Strain through a fine mesh and let the batter rest for 20 minutes at room temperature so starches hydrate evenly. Aim for a pourable consistency that will coat a 20 cm round pan in about a 1 mm wet layer. Add up to 1/8 cup extra water if it's too thick. Prepare a steamer with rapidly boiling water and a tight-fitting lid. Stretch a thin, lint-free cloth over a 20 cm pan or frame, oil it lightly, then pour or ladle a 1 mm layer of batter onto the cloth. Cover and steam for 30 to 45 seconds until the sheet turns translucent and sets. Timing varies with heat. Remove lid briefly, then lift the cloth and slide the warm sheet onto a flat board to cool. Stack on parchment with paper between sheets, if not drying immediately. After steaming, dry sheets thoroughly so they keep shelf-stable. Spread them single layer on a rack and air dry for 2 to 4 hours, or use an oven set to 50 degrees C, 120 degrees F for 5 to 2 hours until they become brittle and opaque. Cool completely, then store flat in an airtight bag with a silica packet or a spoonful of dry rice to absorb moisture. To use, rehydrate a sheet by dipping it in warm water for 3 to 6 seconds until flexible but still.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.